Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about hybrid model for common emitter configuration. As in the previous video lesson, we have discussed about hybrid parameter and definition of hybrid parameters. So the hybrid parameter model is a mixed quantities, is with mixed quantities, that is input impedance, reverse voltage gain, forward current gain, and output admittance. So these four quantities are replaced with a transistor amplifier. Okay. As in the previous video lesson, we have discussed about definitions of hybrid parameters H11, H12, H21, H22, and also we discussed about common base amplifier hybrid model. Now in this video lesson, we are going to discuss about hybrid model for CE configuration. Okay, as we know, the CE configuration is a well-known amplifier circuit or configuration. This is very much used because of much more advantages than CB and CC. So this is an important configuration to discuss. Okay, here in this figure, this is the common emitter configuration circuit. Okay, it is simply a transistor without any components. Okay, since the emitter is grounded here, the output is measured across collector terminal. Therefore, it is called common emitter configuration. The input voltage is now VBE. The input current is IB. The base is input terminal here. Since the emitter is ground, therefore emitter is common to input and output. Okay. In a two-port network, the input port consists of two terminals, base and emitter. The output port consists of two terminals. Those are output terminals, collector and emitter. The input voltage is VBE. Input current is IB. Output voltage is VCE. And output current is IC. Okay. The equivalent hybrid model of this configuration is drawn by using basic equations. Those are input voltage and output current. Input voltage is here VBE. VBE and IC. IC is the output current. So these two equations, VBE is the input voltage equation and IC is the output current equation. By using these two equations, we can draw the equivalent uh, model, equivalent hybrid model for the given common emitter configuration circuit. Okay, VBE is equal to, from the basic equation, VBE is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VCE. Okay, where IB is the input current, VC is the output voltage, where VB is the input voltage. Input voltage VB is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VCE. This is the input voltage equation. Next, output current equation IC is equal to HFE IB plus HOE VCE. Now, the VBE and IC are the dependent variables, whereas IB and VCE are the independent variables. From the first equation is a voltage equation. VB is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VCE. So the input voltage equation is equal to the combination of two voltages. Therefore, it is a KVL equation, Kirchhoff voltage law equation. Okay. From this equation, now we can draw the input circuit in hybrid model as like this. This is the VBE, input voltage VBE is equal to, it is a KVL equation. This voltage equal to the combination of other two voltages. What are those? HIE, HIE, IB, where IB is the input current by applying VBE. IB is the input current. So IB into HIE plus HRE VCE, where VCE is this output voltage. So this is a dependent voltage source. Okay, HRE VCE, where HRE is the reverse voltage gain. Okay, first before drawing this hybrid model, we have to specify which is emitter, which is base, and which is collector. This is the emitter terminal. This is the base terminal. This is the collector terminal. Okay, this emitter terminal and base terminals. These two are input terminals, and emitter and collector are these two are output terminals. So in between these two input terminals, we need to apply input voltage, that is VBE, that is input voltage. So by applying this VBE, IE current flows through this base. So now this is replaced with two quantities. One is a resistor and another one is a dependent voltage source. So this resistance value is HIE. This is defined from the hybrid model, where HIE is the input impedance in common emitter configuration. So this HIE, the voltage drop across this is HIE IB. Next, another voltage, that is HRE VCE. It is a voltage source, where HRE is the reverse voltage gain. Reverse voltage gain with VCE is the output voltage. This output voltage is measured across output terminals, collector and emitter. Okay, so this is drawn by using the first equation, that is VB is equal to HIEIB plus HRE Next, to complete the remaining hybrid model for CE configuration, we need to discuss about the second equation, that is IC, that is current equation. IC is equal to, coming to the next equation, IC is equal to HFE plus HOE. So what is this IC? This is a current from this circuit. This is output current. Output current is equal to the combination of two currents. One is HFE and another one is HOE. HFE is one current plus another current. When the currents are when the currents will be added, when the two currents are in parallel, voltages are added when the two voltages are in series, whereas the currents will be added when the two currents are in parallel. Therefore, the parallel combination of two currents equal to this IC. Now, from this concept, we can derive the remaining remaining circuit of a common emitter configuration hybrid model. So now this is developed by using a Kirchhoff current law. So Kirchhoff current law is for IC. IC is equal to the combination of two currents. One is HFE-IB. Okay. One is HFE-IB, where IB is the input current. Okay, this is a dependent current source. HFE-IB, where HFE is forward current gain. Okay, forward current gain into IB plus HOE VCE. Actually, here 1 by HOE represents the resistance because here instead of admittance we have shown with a resistor. Therefore, it is taken as 1 by HOD. So, HOE VCE is one current, HFE IB is another current. So, there are two currents. So, these two currents are in parallel. Therefore, this current is equal to the sum of these two currents. Okay, this is one current because of since these two are summed and this is equal. This is incoming current, these two are outgoing currents. Therefore, this should be downward direction. Therefore, this current plus this current is equal to this current. IC is equal to HFE-IB plus HOE-VCE. So, in a hybrid model of a common emitter configuration consists of four hybrid parameters. Those are HIE, HRE, HFE, HOE. So, by using these four, we can draw the equivalent circuit for common emitter configuration by using hybrid parameters. So, this hybrid model consists of uh, developed by two equations. One is input voltage equation and another one is output current equation. So, input voltage is equation is developed by using the KVL Kirchhoff voltage law. So this input voltage equal to sum of other two voltages. Okay, similarly, the second equation is a current equation. Therefore, the output current equation. The output current is sum of two currents. Therefore, it is developed by Kirchhoff current law. So the Kirchhoff current law says IC is equal to sum of other two currents. So one current is HFE IB, another current is HOE VCE. Therefore, these two currents are summed. Therefore, these two must be connected in parallel. Therefore, this is the complete hybrid model for combinatorial configuration. Now, where these four parameters HIE is equal to VBE by IB, input voltage by input current. This is input impedance. Input impedance when output is short circuited. This is very important. VCE is equal to 0. VBE by IB when VCE is equal to 0. VBE by IB is input impedance when output is short circuited. Next, HRE reverse voltage gain. Generally, the voltage gain is nothing but output voltage by input voltage. But here, this is also voltage ratio, but this is input voltage, this is output voltage. VB is the input voltage, VCE is the output voltage. So this is reverse. So therefore it is reverse voltage gain when the input is open circuited, when no current at the input side. Therefore IB is equal to 0. Next, third parameter HFE. This is F stands for forward current gain when the output is short circuited. When the output is short circuited, output voltage becomes zero. VC is equal to zero. So when VC is equal to zero, HFE is equal to IC by IB, where IC is the output current, IB is the input current. The ratio of output current to the input current is nothing but current gain. Therefore, it is forward current gain when the output is short circuited. Next, last one, HOE. HO stands for output admittance. So, generally, this HOE is equal to IC by VCE, where IC is the output current, VCE is the output voltage. So, current by voltage is nothing but admittance or reciprocal of resistance. Therefore, the output admittance when the input is open circuited, IB is equal to 0. Okay, these four parameters, H parameters are defined for common emitter. Here, E stands for common emitter. E, all the four parameters is having second subscript as E. So first subscript is that particular parameter representation, that is HI input impedance, HR reverse voltage gain, HF forward current gain, HO output admittance, like that. So second subscript is for common emitter. Okay, this is about uh, hybrid model for common emitter configuration. Is it clear? Okay. If it is clear, let us go for the next one. Hybrid model for common collector configuration. Here, this is also same. This is also same, except that instead of common emitter, common collector is taken. In this, the only terminals have been changed. Okay, here collector emitter. Now emitter is output, collector is common. Okay, this collector is common to input and output. Okay, so here this is collector. Collector is taken as input ground and emitter is output terminal. Only this is the change. Remaining all are same. Okay, now in order to uh, draw the hybrid model for common collector, first we need to take the terminals. Okay, here this is collector terminal, which is common ground terminal, whereas the input terminal is base and output terminal is emitter. Okay, first we need to specify the terminals. Okay, here one dot, this is collector, this is another dot emitter, this is base emitter. Okay, since the base is taken as input, therefore base, output is taken as emitter, therefore emitter. Now the equivalent hybrid model for common collector, that is transistor. Let us see. So this is developed by using the equations. In this, the input voltage is VBC. Input voltage is V. VBC, the voltage drop across base and collector, VBC. The input current is IB and the output voltage is VCE, VEC, and the output current is IE. Okay, these four parameters are very important. Input voltage and input current, output voltage and output current. Input voltage and input current, those are VCB and IB. Output voltage and output current are VEC and IE respectively. Now, the hybrid model is developed by using two equations, input voltage equation and output current equation, where the input voltage equation VBC VBC is equal to HIC IB plus HRC VEC is output voltage. First equation, voltage equation. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So from that, okay, input voltage VB is equal to HIC IB, that is input current, HIC IB plus HRC VEC, the output voltage. Okay, so this voltage equation, input voltage is equal to sum of two voltages. Therefore, this can be called as Kirchhoff voltage law. So the input voltage is equal to sum of other two voltages. So that voltage the first voltage consists of HIC IB. So the product of these two, HIC, may be a resistance. Therefore, the resistance which is flowing a current IB. Okay, IB HIC plus HOC VEC, where VEC is the output voltage. Now we can write the voltage drop across output is VEC. So this HRC is reverse voltage gain. This is a voltage source. So this is one voltage, this is another voltage. These two are get summed up. Therefore, this sum of these two voltages is equal to the input voltage. Okay. Therefore, this is developed by using a Kirchhoff voltage law. Next, remaining half is developed by using the second equation, that is output current equation. Output current is IE. IE is equal to HFC IB, where IB is the input current, HFC IB plus HOC VEC. Okay, now this is a current equation. IE is a current equation. So this current is equal to sum of two currents. So at a node, this is input current is equal to sum of two other currents. So those two currents must be go away from this node. Therefore, these two must be in parallel. So, HFC IB. So, therefore, it must be a current source. This is a dependent current source. This depends on input current IB. So, HFC is the forward current gain with IB is the input current. So, this must be downwards because the current is flowing like this. Okay. So, this must be downward. Therefore, this is one current which is a current source. Next, another current will flow through HOC, where HOC is the output admittance. So, generally, admittance is the reciprocal of the resistance. Therefore, it must be represented with a resistance. So, this resistance voltage drop is nothing but current. So, now the current IC is equal to sum of these two currents. So, these two must be in parallel. So, this is the complete hybrid model for common collector. Okay, the input side this is plus minus, output side this is plus minus. So ground collector is ground, therefore it is negative terminal. The other two are positive terminals. From this, HIC is the input impedance when output is short circuited. When the output is short circuited, output voltage becomes zero. When output voltage is zero, HIC is defined as input impedance. VBE is the input voltage, IB is the input current. Voltage to current becomes resistance VBE by IB. Next, this is input impedance when output is short circuited. That is output voltage VEC. Next, HRE is the reverse voltage gain. So VBE by VEC, where VB is the input voltage, VEC is the output voltage. So input voltage by output voltage is both are voltages, therefore voltage gain. But this is in reverse. It must be output by input, but here input is by output. Therefore, reverse voltage gain when input is open circuited, that is IB is equal to 0. Next, third quantity is HFE, forward current gain. Forward current gain. So, forward current gain when output is short circuited. Output is short circuited means output voltage is 0. When the output voltage is 0, uh, the ratio of output current to the input current. Output current is IE, input current is IB. So the ratio of IE by IB is nothing but current gain, and these two are in forward direction. Therefore, forward current gain when output is short circuited, when output voltage is 0. This is forward current gain. HOC, next one, fourth one. HOC, output admittance. When the input is open circuited. When input is open, then input current must be 0. That is IB is equal to 0. If IB is equal to 0, HO is equal to IO by that is output current IE by VEC, output voltage. IE by V, IE by VE both are output current and output voltage. Therefore, So the output admittance is nothing but current by voltage is admittance. Therefore, these two are output parameters. Therefore, output admittance. Output admittance is defined when the input is open circuited. That is, input current becomes zero. Okay, this is the hybrid model for common collector configuration. Okay, let us stop here. Let us conclude here. From this video lesson, we have discussed about hybrid model for common emitter configuration or common emitter amplifier, and we have defined the hybrid parameters for common emitter configuration. Okay, we have developed the common emitter configuration hybrid model. Okay, here this is the common emitter configuration hybrid model. Okay, this is developed by using the two equations, that is input voltage equation and output current equation. From the input voltage equation, we have developed the input circuit by using with the help of Kirchhoff voltage law. This input voltage equal to sum of other two voltages. Therefore, it is represented with a Kirchhoff voltage law, and it is developed by using Kirchhoff voltage law. It consists of input impedance and another one is a dependent voltage source. Okay, next, second equation is a current equation. This is output current equation. By using this output current equation, the output circuit is developed. This consists of sum of two currents. Since it is a input current, it is incoming current. This is equal to sum of other two currents. Therefore, these two currents must be outgoing currents. By using Kirchhoff current law at a node, sum of all the incoming currents equal to sum of all the outgoing currents. Therefore, with this concept, the second half, that is output circuit, is developed in hybrid model. So this IC is equal to HFVIB, this is input current, and HOEVC. Okay. Okay, this hybrid model is developed by using two equations, input voltage and output current equation. Okay, with this, these four parameters are defined: HIE, HRE, HFE, HOE. HIE is the input impedance, and HRE is the reverse voltage gain, and HFE is the forward current gain, and HOE is the output admittance. So, the input impedance is defined as input voltage by input current, that is VBE by IB, when output voltage is open circuited, or sorry, short circuited, output voltage is equal to 0. Next, second, HRE is the reverse voltage gain. This reverse voltage gain is calculated uh, when input is open circuited, means input current is 0. Next, HFE, forward current gain. Forward current gain is uh, calculated when output is short circuited. Output voltage is 0. IC by IB, output current by input current. Next, HOE. This is output admittance when input is open circuited. Input is open circuit means input current is zero. Okay, these are the four hybrid parameters which are defined for the combinator configuration. Next, hybrid model for common collector configuration. So this is the common collector configuration circuit diagram. The first circuit is the common collector circuit diagram. From this, we need to develop the hybrid model. So hybrid model is developed for common collector. It is similar to common base and common emitter. So the hybrid model is developed by writing two equations, input voltage equation and output current equation. Input voltage equation here, the input voltage is in between base and collector, and output voltage is measured across emitter and collector. Here the output terminal is emitter and the collector is common. So first we have to place which one is collector terminal and which one is base and which one is emitter. This is the collector, this is emitter terminal, this is base terminal. Sorry. Okay. After specification from the equations, input voltage equation. Here the input voltage is VBC. So VBC is equal to the sum of two voltages. So the first voltage is IB HIB. Sorry, HIC IB. Where HIC is the resistance and IB is the input current. So this is a voltage drop plus another voltage HRC VCE, where VCE is the output voltage, HRC is the reverse voltage gain. So this must be a voltage source. This is a dependent voltage source. This depends on the output voltage. Okay. Okay, this is developed by using first equation, that is the input voltage equation. Next, from the second equation, that is output current equation, IE. IE is equal to sum of two currents, HFC IB, IE is equal to HFC IB plus HOC EEC. So this is the incoming current at this node. At this node, this is the incoming current. Therefore, this is equal to two currents, means these two must be outgoing currents. That is why it is the direction is downwards. So this is a HFC IB. HFC is forward current gain, where IB is the input current. So this depends on IB, that is input current. Therefore, it is a dependent current source. Next, this is a dependent current source in parallel with another parameter HOC VEC, where HOC is a resistance or admittance 1 by resistance. Therefore, it is represented with a resistor. Okay, this is output voltage. So, this is the second equation equivalent circuit. So, the complete hybrid model for common collector is developed by using two equations, input voltage equation and output current equation. This is complete hybrid model for common collector configuration. So from this, the hybrid parameters are defined as HIC, where HI is the input impedance of the common collector configuration when output is short circuited, means output voltage is zero. When output voltage is zero, HIC is equal to V VBC by IB, where VBC is the input voltage IB is the input current. Therefore, the ratio of voltage to current is nothing but resistance or impedance. So input impedance is equal to VBC by IB when output voltage is 0. Next, HRC, where HR is the reverse voltage gain when input is open circuited, means input current is equal to 0. So this is the ratio of VBE by VEC, where VB is the input voltage, VEC is the output voltage. Of course, these two are voltage ratio, voltage gain, but voltage gain must be output by input, but here input by output, therefore reverse voltage gain. Next parameter HFC, where HF is the forward current gain. Forward current gain when output is short circuited means output voltage is equal to 0. When the output voltage is 0, the current gain is defined as IE by IB, where IE is the output current and IB is the input current. So output current by input current is must be the current gain. So this is in forward direction. Therefore, forward current gain when output is short circuit means output voltage is equal to 0. HOC is equal to IE by VEC when input current is equal to 0. So current by voltage is nothing but reciprocal of the resistance. Output admittance when input is open circuited. Okay, input is open circuit means current is 0. When current is 0, the ratio of current by voltage is nothing but admittance or reciprocal of the resistance. Okay, these four are the hybrid parameters in common vector configuration hybrid model. Okay, okay, with this, let us stop here. Thank you for listening my video lesson. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, mail me at naar37@gmail.com. nar37@gmail.com. nar NAAR 37 at the rate gmail.com.